Inheritance. We are gonna talk about inheritance. We are using general, like the joke is we don't have to do the work to inherit a function. All we do is like we just extend to it and we inherit, we get all the methods. So one example was from here was you could use a phone and you could inherit for both smartphones can inherit from a regular phone, or you could say that a mammal or a dog, they are all animal and they both all have the same properties. So inside a mammal, you don't have to write animal properties, and inside dog, you don't have to write mammal properties, and inside all the other, you don't need to write a dog property. So all you need to use is the keyword extends. So what is the rule for extend is you can only extend to one class. So we have class B, which is the child class can extend to parent class A, and it will get every function that is described in A. And what is not possible in Java is you cannot have the keyword extend and write two classes, but you can implement multiple classes by doing this. Okay, so we have, let's say we have two classes, and I have, this is the class, and I want to implement this. Let's say I have a class A and I have a class B, and I am class C. What I can do is I can only inherit either A or either B. And if I want to inherit A and B at the same time, what I can do is C extends to B and B extends to A. So indirectly, what happens is if A has three methods, then these three methods will come to B. And if B has, let's say, two more methods, I'm writing, sorry guys, it's hard to write like this, and I will have three from A, two from here. Total 5 methods will come when C extends to B. It will have 5 methods without working on it, so it will inherit 5 methods. And as this illegal, so you could only say class A and then class B extends to A, you will inherit the instance variable, you will inherit the constructor, you will inherit the method. What you will not inherit is the value of that X. So class A, when B extends to A, these each private keyword. So if I have, let's say, class, right? So this is class A. So if I create an object, both and then class B extend to A will have this their own specific private X and private X from both. These will be the instance variable will be in B and it will be in A, but they will not be the same X. So when I say, for example, if I create one object and if I say it's from new A, so it's going to use this constructor, X will be 8. And when I create one object and if I say it's B, as you see, B exactly is the copy of the A. And when I print it, it will recreate it. So this will be not the same objects. They will be different objects. So this will be 8 and the other one will be a new 8 in the memory. And if I look at here again, if B extends to A, I have X, 3, and values. So if I go here, when I say get X, so B, if I have B, there is nothing inside B. So when I use this, I will use this method. What does it do? It gets the A 3 as 3. So it will print 3. And when I set 1.set2, when I use this method, I am changing the X value, and when I say get X, it will return 2 because B method exactly copy of the A. So inherit 1. So we said that every class only use the keyword extends only once. You can only extend once, and extends to only one, right? One class, one I can't write here. And then we said interface. For the interface, you could do is you could extend to one class, but you can, these are abstract interfaces. You could implement many interfaces. So if you remember from if implements many, so many, oops. So we have a class and we can implement many interface. Let's say these are F and this is, let's say F and T. So if we want to implement F, this class extends to be implements F comma T is a valid return.